welcome back to my vlog. Today, we're going to talk about something super interesting, the different theories of intelligence. We'll start with Charles Berman general mental ability and end with Robert Sternberg hierarchy theory of intelligence. So, let's begin and discover how psychologists understand what it means to be intelligent. First is the general mental ability Charles Berman. Charles Berman proposed what we call the two-factor theory of intelligence. He believed that intelligence is made up of two parts. First is the general ability called the G factors, and the second is the specific abilities called the S factors. The G factors represent our overall mental ability. It affects how we perform on different kinds of tasks. For example, if you are good at solving math problems, you might also be good at reasoning or understanding patterns. That's because the G factors support all mental tasks. The S factors, on the other hand, are abilities that are unique to certain tasks like musical skill or vocabulary. Next, we have Louis Thurston. He disagreed with Spearman's idea of one general intelligence. Instead, he believed that intelligence has seven primary mental abilities, such as verbal comprehension, the ability to understand and use words correctly. Number 2, word fluency, the ability to quickly think of and produce words. Number 3, number ability, the skill in working with numbers and solving math problems. Number 4, spatial visualization, the ability to image and manipulate shapes or objects in space. Number 5, memory, the ability to remember information, experiences, or instructions. Number 6, perceptual speed, the ability to quickly notice and compare visual details. Number 7, reasoning, the ability to think logically and solve problems. Thurston said that each of these abilities is independent. So, a person might be strong in verbal skills but not necessarily in spatial reasoning, and that's perfectly fine. This shows that intelligence comes in many forms. Then we have Raymond Cahill and John Horn, who divided intelligence into two types: fluid intelligence and crystallized intelligence. Fluid intelligence is the ability to solve new problems and think logically in new situations, like when you're figuring out a puzzle for the first time. Crystallized intelligence, on the other hand, is based on knowledge and experience, like using what you've learned from school or life to answer questions. In short, fluid solving new problems, crystallized using what you already know. Howard Gardner took things even further. He said intelligence is not just about numbers or words. It is about many different abilities. He proposed 8 types of intelligences, such as linguistic, using language well, like writers or speakers. Number 2, logical, mathematical, reasoning, and problem solving. Number 3, musical, being sensitive to sounds, rhythm, and tone. Number 4, bodily, kinesthetic, skillful body movement like dancers or athletes. 5, spatial, visualizing things in your mind like artists or architects. 6, interpersonal, understanding others' emotions and motivations. 7, intrapersonal, understanding yourself and your own feelings. 8, naturalistic, recognizing patterns in natures like scientists or farmers. Gardner's theory reminds us that everyone is intelligent in their own unique way. You might not be great at math, but you could be amazing in music, sports, or social skills, and that's still intelligence. Finally, let's talk about Robert Sternberg and his hierarchic theory of intelligence. He said that intelligence has three main components, which is the componential intelligence or the analytical. This is the ability to think logically, analyze problems, and make decisions. It was traditional IQ test measures. Number two, experimental intelligence or creative. This helps us deal with new situations and think outside the box. Third, conceptual intelligence, which is practical. Also known as street smarts, it's about adapting to real life situation and knowing how to get things done. Sternberg theory shows that being intelligent is not just about grades. It's also about creativity and practical sense in every life. So, to sum it all up, Spearman said intelligence is general. Thurston said it's made of several abilities. Cathiel and Horn said it is both fluid and crystallized. Gardner said there are many kinds of intelligences. Sternberg said it is analytical, creative, and practical. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more educational vlogs. See you next time. Bye-bye.